Good morning. Wish you all a very happy new year. Year 2011 is a history now. This is a new day, a new week, and a new year. Hope we leap forward this leap year and have good memories in store for 2012. Bear in mind the problems of the past will continue to haunt us for a while before we see definite signs of improvement. Buckle up and step up your vigil to dodge short-term uncertainty and volatility. Be ready to invest once the tide begins to turn in the favor of risky assets such as India. It may take a while for the outlook on Indian markets to change for the better, which calls for a conservative approach initially. The start today is likely to be sedate as market participants will take time to commit themselves. Global cues are also muted. Also, several big markets in Asia are shut today for New Year. Markets in Europe and US are also likely to remain closed today. Therefore, the focus will be on the domestic issues. Mostly auto sales, cement volumes, the latest trade data and manufacturing PMI will attract attention. Meanwhile, in a positive move for Indian markets, the government has decided to allow overseas individual investors to directly buy local equities as the country seeks to boost capital inflows and reduce volatility. The US markets managed to beat most other despite domestic problems, but stock markets elsewhere lost more than 10% in 2011 on worries about European sovereign debt crisis and slowing economic growth. Economists say that Europe won't return to sustainable growth for at least one more year. For 2011, the Indian index was the worst performing markets, losing almost 25% in real terms and 35% in dollar terms. For the coming week, the trend reversal point for the NSE Nifty is placed at 4,725. A close above the same could spark fresh buying. Moving on to a recommendation, the technical call for the day is, we recommend buying ITC above Rs 202.5 with stop loss of Rs 198 and for the target price of Rs 212. Our derivative strategy for the day are long LIC Housing Finance January futures between Rs 218 to Rs 219 for the target price of Rs 227 and with a stop loss placed at Rs 212. Short Petronet futures between Rs 157 to Rs 158 for the target price of Rs 151 and a stop loss placed at Rs 160. Thank you. Wish you have a great day ahead.